Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's MOSHEH TV here again. I've missed you guys so much, I know a lot of you might have been waiting for my updates, but honestly, we are on festive season. This is holidays period, so but be firewood. We have to take a rest, and then come back, when we finally refresh our strength. So I know some of you who are genuinely supporting our channel, watching our videos, sharing, commenting. You have missed me also. So guys, I want to promise you guys that by next week we're gonna resume our work. We're gonna resume our updates to give you all the whole latest updates we have been hearing. So for now we are on leave. We try to go and refresh our strength, at least take a rest. It's not easy from moving around, spending money for trade fair, from a lot of things. It's not what I can start explaining or counting here, but all I can say is that we are taking a rest for now. Resuming by next week, at least we deserve some rest. They easy, and body no be firewood. So what you are currently watching right now is an event happening in Nanka. This usually happened on every 2nd of August, every 2nd of January. This thing usually happened. They call it Nanka Day or Enugu Nanka Day or so I visited this event, or I attended the event to go and see how it's going. You can see the massive crowd, but I can tell you that the previous years, the crowd that I used to have on this particular event used to be massive more than this. But you know how things is these days. Things are not well. A lot of people are not that up and running for this year due to how the economy is going, but still people still turn out. You can see the crowd, they turn out, but we that has been attending the events, we tell you that the crowd is nothing to compare to the previous years which we have been attending. But I can tell you that people turn out massively. So this event usually happen in Nanka on every 2nd of January. This event comprises of I would say is an masquerade event that happens on every 2nd of January, and usually in Enugu Nanka axis in Nanka. And over here you're gonna be seeing a lot of masquerade, small masquerade down to big ones. So from little masquerade to the bigger ones, and there's another popular masquerade which whenever the masquerade comes out, people will start running, and once the masquerade finishes dancing in the crowd, and and the rest, once the masquerade leaves and start heading home, the event is finally coming to closure. So as you can see in the video, there's a lot of masquerade people moving around. So but they used to flog you. If you put head, they will flog you if you no give them money. So but not like that, very radical. It's a very minimal something. It's not that they must flog you if you don't have money. No. Some are different. Some don't even have cane, and not all the masquerade they used to have cane. Some of them give their cane to their follower. Once the need for flogging came, they will collect the cane. Some don't even come with cane at all. So it's not kind of a do or die affair. It's just for fun. Once you come here, you have your fun. A lot of bars are open. As you can see over there, there's light in that building. That place is a shop where people are sitting down, having fun, taking their drinks. So a lot of them are open like that. Not just that shop, there are other shops around these locations. If you move towards that side, that you find crowd, multitude of people. There's a lot of shops there. At my back, where I will film very soon, where the canopy is located, and other musicians are there, entertaining people. At my back this way, a lot of bars are open, so people come here on today, drink, have fun, spray masquerade money, some collect cane, rest of them. So it's a very nice event. If you have time, you can visit and have fun, but it's just one day thing. So it's happening. It used to happen on every 2nd of January. Every 2nd of January it used to happen. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly do subscribe. Like I promise you guys, by next week we're gonna resume our road update fully and other tourist attraction in Igbo and elsewhere. So thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day till we are meeting again by next week. Bye.